Hello. Welcome to Learn English channel. Let's learn the symbol names in English. Comma. Full stop. Quotation mark. Question mark. Slash. Semicolon. Greater than. Less than. Parentheses. Hyphen. Exclamation mark. Ellipsis. Colon. Square bracket. Curly brackets. Apostrophe. Percent. And. At the rate sign. Equal. Underscore. Hash. Backslash. Circumflex. Almost equal to. Bullet. Division sign. Estimated sign. Angle brackets. Asterisk. Inverted exclamation mark. Guillemot. Copyright symbol. Bar. Currency sign. Diameter. Inverted question mark. Pilcrow. Registered trademark. Silkrow. Asterism. Tick mark. Plus minus sign. Per mil. Therefore sign. Service mark symbol. Numero sign. Multiplication sign. Sound recording copyright symbol. Trademark symbol. Dollar. Euro. Pound. Cent. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to introduce us to your friends.